In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up the hood on this 2011 Ford Focus. Okay, so in order to open the hood on this Ford Focus, you're going to go to the driver's side and you'll notice that there is a latch underneath the steering wheel. This latch is a picture of a vehicle with a hood open. So go ahead and pull this. It's a cable and you should hear a pop when you pull it. After you pull that latch, if you go to the hood, you can now see that there is a gap in the hood. It's now elevated. Navigate above the logo to this section right here. So you'll see on the inside, right at the center, there is this latch that you can push to the left, and that's going to tilt the hook off of the bar that holds the hood down. So at that point, once you do that, you can lift up. So as I lift down, you can see how it auto clasps again. So now you can't lift because it's connected. So go ahead and grab with your right hand and push that off and you can lift up. Once you lift up, the mounting bar or the hood bar is right here. Go ahead and put this in the two holes right there so it can hold the hood up. And I'll go back to this latch so I can show you. Again, you just have to push this to the left and it lifts off. In order to close, it's super easy. All you have to do is take this off and then hold the hood about a foot above and then just drop it and it should close nice and firm. I hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.